Quitting smoking with nothing but willpower can be hard. Your brain has been trained to depend on nicotine, and withdrawal symptoms can make you crave a cigarette. While nicotine is a highly addictive drug, it does not contain toxic chemicals found in cigarettes, including tar and tobacco. Nicotine replacement therapies, or NRTs, can make quitting easier and increase your chances of staying quit. NRTs give you nicotine in a controlled way, without the dangerous chemicals found in cigarettes. They help you deal with the cravings and withdrawal symptoms. There are different types of NRTs. Slow-acting ones, like patches on your skin, deliver a steady dose of nicotine throughout the day. Fast-acting NRTs, including gum, lozenges, microtabs, inhalers, and sprays, deliver nicotine through your mouth or nose for quick relief from sudden cravings, making it easier to resist smoking. When choosing NRTs, a combination of slow-acting and fast-acting can give you the best results. You can use as many as you need to manage your cravings. NRTs are widely available at supermarkets and pharmacies. It's recommended that you use them for about 12 weeks through your quitting journey. When you're ready, you can reduce gradually and eventually stop using them altogether.